pilferage and theft and corruption must be firmly behind us. And we want to leverage on technology. We are willing as government to support MEDS in the rollout of technology. If you need our support around technology to make sure that you manage your ecosystem from supply from one end all the way to delivery on the other end. We are currently working with KEMSA to make sure that technology becomes part of the equation and becomes an enabler of the delivery of service. And that is the reason why members of parliament passed the Digital Health Bill, so that it becomes part of the legislation that will underwrite and form the foundation for us to deliver health using technology and using digitization to eliminate what has bedeviled NHI for a long time: fake claims, crooked people who take advantage of that space. We believe that technology is going to give us the levers to be able to deal with fake claims, to deal with pilferage, and to make sure that Kenyans get value for every pain, every coin, and every penny that they contribute. So we are ready to work with you around the space, around technology. That's number one. Number two, leveraging on the economies of scale. Again, we want to work with you to see how commodities, we can reduce the price by sourcing commodities together and using the economies of scale to do that. And also that we can also work together towards promoting local manufacturers by making sure that we give them priority. I'm sure we can talk a little bit more about other interventions as we go into the future, but your ideas, your suggestions are very welcome as we continuously improve this space around delivery of health. I congratulate MEDS for this great achievement once again, and reiterate that the journey towards universal health coverage is a relay that involves almost every entity in the health sector. We are all connected, and if we work together, nothing can stop us from success. And I'm very clear about that. Asanteni sana, God bless you, and you've done a wonderful job. Asanteni sana.
Thank you, Your Excellency. One more round of applause for His Excellency. Your Excellency, with your permission, MEDS had prepared a gift for you, and at this point, I'll invite the Chair, Right Reverend Charles Asilutwa, to present the gift. Before we do two photo opportunities, kindly let's have the gift come. Reverend, if you may come. Your Excellency, with your permission, maybe if you may just come to receive the gift before we have two photos taken, then we wrap it up. So, on behalf of MEDS,